अक्टूबर का दिन, आज का दिन है बड़ा महान। आज के दिन दो फूल खिले हैं जिनसे महका हिंदुस्तान। नाम एक का बापू गांधी और एक लाल बहादुर है। एक का नारा अमन, एक का जय जवान जय किसान, जय जवान जय किसान।
नमस्कार, मैं देवीशी यादव आज गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर गांधी जी का एक प्रिय गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
A lawyer who was himself a victim of racism will one day be responsible for civil rights movement in 12 countries, not even with his physical presence, but his presence in people's hearts. Mahatma Gandhi, the man responsible for India's freedom, the greatest revolutionary of the time, the man who has his own ideology with dealing with the oppressor that was British in that case. What was so special about his ideology? That is Gandhism, still relevant today. That is taught in 104 plus nations and that forced British to put his statue after 21 years of his death. So here are some valuable points from his values. Third, adopting simplicity. Gandhiji lived a simple life, ate vegetarian food, wear just the dhoti and shawl. He believed world of possessions will lead to nothing. So, don't get into this trap of jewels. Practice self-discipline and this will lead to a simple life and help you reach your prime goal of life. Fourth, patience and tolerance. Patience and tolerance is necessary, whether it is today's world or freedom struggle. If you will fight with the oppressor, situation may get worse. Patience is needed to achieve everything. It requires our time, dedication and hard work. Fifth, the lesson of humanity. It is one of his universal values. It is not about treating people as mere objects, but to respect them and understand their pain. Mahatma Gandhi expressed his love as subtle force and asked everyone to treat each other as treasures of knowledge. He asked people to spread the humanity humanitarian message of love
Great
with
character.
everyone.
Born on 2nd October 1869, he always condemned violence and walked a path of high morale, because of which his birthday is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. He serves as an inspiring example for us to learn to emerge stronger and achieve success. Some of the Gandhian values are: Mahatma Gandhi was thrown into jail, beaten on the roads. Many people conspired to kill him, but he forgave them all. He always preached to forgive the people who might have hurt you or caused you some problems. One should let go of the negativity associated with that event. Before being a freedom fighter, Gandhi was actually a lawyer. Often people assume that the profession of lawyer requires much cunning and lying, but still, Gandhi never resorted to lying, as one lie triggers to even more lies. Truth stands for itself. He called the truth as the most powerful weapon. Evil, hear no evil, speak no evil was adopted worldwide as a message of peace and tolerance due to Mahatma Gandhi's visual metaphor of the three monkeys. If we do so, we will have all goodness and nothing but goodness. Mahatma Gandhi admitted that he wasn't perfect from the beginning. When he was a child, he fought, he stole, he cheated, but always strived to avoid making the same mistakes twice. We are all humans, and making mistake is a part of being human, but we should all pause frequently and assess our mistakes, and so they had eventually turned out to be a grand success in life. With all these ethics and values, Gandhiji was rightly called as man of millennium, with whose efforts India could become an independent country through non-violence. Though Gandhiji is no more to guide the nation, his principles and values play an important role in helping the country in its journey towards being a developed nation.
The values of the honorific man. He wanted us to practice forgiveness, not revenge. The man who taught us to live simple, to be independent. He desired us to be the change we wish to see in the world. The great Mahatma. The one who told us the importance of non-violence, to see the good of the new life ahead. He was truly an ideal for all these values, the father of the nation. Proud presenting a tribute to our own Bapuji.
Hello everyone, I Siddharth Samal of 9D am here to put forward my views on the topic relevance of Gandhism in today's world. Gandhi Jayanti isn't just a day to remember the great Mahatma Gandhi, but it's a day to celebrate the legacy of his life, a legacy lived by a simple man with much high thinking, moral principles and a commitment to self-belief. His principles of truth and non-violence ignited a revolution that forced the Britishers to leave our country. If the question is asked whether Gandhism is relevant today, my answer would be yes. I can support this with a very suitable example of none other than but anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare. His peaceful protest, which forced the government to pass the Lokpal Bill, has shown the world that Gandhiji's principle of non-violence is a universal law that acts under all circumstances. Another example I would like to quote that Gandhiji taught us to become self-sufficient by embracing self-spun khadi, and the proof of its relevance can be sensed in the current government slogan Make in India. Gandhiji dwelt on cleanliness. Being an iconic figure, he himself used to clean his ashram and its toilets by promoting pragmatic thinking towards sanitation, and his ideologies can be seen in the form of Swachh Bharat Mission. Gandhiji's views on vocational education and skill development has seen the light of the day in recent National Education Policy 2020, which aims to integrate vocational education with mainstream education. Citing one more example, I would like to say that he was a naturalist, herbalist, minimalist, preferred eating frugal, did fasting and walked long miles. This fitness mantra is trending today as people are becoming health conscious by opting organic food and hitting the gyms. In the end, I would like to conclude that be it the principles of satyagraha, non-violence or self-sufficiency, Gandhism is relevant and very much required in the present situation.
हाँ, मैं जानता हूँ यहाँ साउथ अफ्रीका में भारतीयों को शूद्र समझा जाता है तथा हीनता से देखा जाता है, उन्हें कूली बुलाया जाता है। लेकिन मेरे पास यहाँ का टिकट है, मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ। मेरे पास इसी श्रेणी का टिकट है और मुझे यहाँ बैठने का पूरा हक है। तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, ये तो पूरी मानवता पर अन्याय है। मैं इसका नहीं होने दूंगा, मैं इसका मुकाबला करूंगा। माना जाए तो हवा और पानी के बाद नमक जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है। नमक वाकई जरूरी है क्योंकि यह हमारे खाने का स्वाद बढ़ाता है। उससे भी बड़ी बात, अच्छी सेहत के लिए शरीर को हमेशा नमक की जरूरत होती है। लेकिन अब अंग्रेजों ने भारतीय नमक पर कर लगा दिया है। चलो हम इसके खिलाफ लड़ेंगे। नमक के इन दानों की मदद से मैं ब्रिटिश राज की नींव हिला दूंगा। मुझे भी एक पाप का पूर्ण करना है राम। वह ये है कि बेकार की बातों में मैंने अपने 10 मिनट की हत्या कर डाली। पाकिस्तान की पथ यात्रा पर जब चलेंगे तब अपना पाप बता देना। अच्छा, वक्त ही वक्त होगा हमारे पास, अभी वक्त नहीं है। हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम।
सभी को सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम तेजस्विनी है। मैं कक्षा 2री ख में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। महात्मा गांधी जी का सपना पूरा करने के लिए हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 2 अक्टूबर 2014 को स्वच्छ भारत अभियान शुरू किया। हमारे देश के हर एक नागरिक को अपने हर जगह पे स्वच्छता ही रखनी चाहिए। स्वच्छता ही सेवा है, गंदगी जानलेवा है। जय भारत, जय हिंद।
I'm Anumati from class 2nd and today I'm cleaning my study table. So let's get started. Cleanliness is very important for us. We have to clean our room regularly. Good students always keep their study table neat and clean.
Hi Vani, are you coming to play?
No, I'm cleaning my study table.
Okay then, but please come after some time.
Okay, I will come sometime later. So I hope you all clean your study table like me. So say yes to cleanness and say no to dirtiness. Thank you.
खादी की चादर दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। माँ खादी की चादर दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। सब मित्रों के बीच बैठ के रघुपति राघव गाऊंगा। सब मित्रों के बीच बैठ के रघुपति राघव गाऊंगा। माँ खादी की चादर दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। व्यक्ति की पहचान उसके कपड़ों से नहीं, उसके चरित्र से होती है। खुद वह बदलाव बनिए जो आप दूसरों में देखना चाहते हैं। ऐसे जियो कि तुम कभी मरने वाले हो, ऐसे सीखो कि तुम हमेशा के लिए जीने वाले हो। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। Children, I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People called me Bapuji. I want to tell you, don't say bad words, don't listen bad things, don't see bad things. I want to say my favorite bhajan. वैष्णव भजन तो तीने कहीं जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव भजन तो तीने कहीं जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोई, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोई, मन अभिमान नाए रे। वैष्णव भजन तो तीने कहीं जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह, हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे
आइए गांधी जी के 150वें जन्म दिवस पर उनके विचारों को अपने अंदर जिंदा रखें।